Hi, I'm Shane McAnally and I'm proud to present to you number 13 Rowan Drive in Brassall. This is a nearly completely renovated home, 4 bedrooms we have on offer, and we're positioned right across from Sutton Park. So come on through, let's have a look. As we enter the home, on our right we have the lounge room. Plenty of space there with air conditioning. And then we come on through, we've got the formal dining room here, which is perfectly attached to the kitchen here. As you can see, we've got this galley style kitchen, cupboards on both sides, dishwasher, big pantry, everything you need here. And then we've got a meals room here, so plenty of room to entertain the family or friends. And as we come on through, to our left, we have the first bedroom with ceiling fans. And as we go on through, we've got the second bedroom there with ceiling fan and built-in robe. So this house is, like I said, has nearly been completely renovated. We've got new tiles, new carpets throughout, fresh paint. The bathroom, wait to see that. It's stunning. So come on through, guys. To our left is the master bedroom. So it's got the ceiling fan, air conditioning, built-in robes. And then we'll come on back through. Last but not least, we've got the fourth bedroom with built-in robes and air conditioning in there. Now, as I said, the jewel in the crown is definitely bathroom. Come check it out, guys. Fully renovated, we've got the standalone shower, separate bathtub, toilets in there as well. And then we'll come on back through here. So we've got the laundry here, which has also been updated. And then out to this lovely patio area, great for entertaining. We've got a little garden shed there as well. We are positioned on 607 square metres of land. So as you can see, you've got a little backyard, not too much maintenance, which is great if you're downsizing. And here we've got the tandem carport. So plenty of room for your cars here. So there we have it. We're positioned right across from Sutton Park. As I mentioned, we've got sporting facilities, playgrounds, everything you need over there. And you're also walking distance to the Brassall shopping centre with Woolies, specialty stores, doctors, dentists, everything you need is there. So there we have it, guys. 13 Rowan Drive, Brassall. Give me a call, 0434 614 321. Thank you.